The typical personal injury claim has 4 stages. The first one being the investigative claim stage, second one being the litigation process, third one being any discovery or depositions that need to be taking place, and the final fourth one, of course, is trial. We want to talk about each one of those 4, and we're going to start with talking about the investigative claims process. That is right after the incident occurred that caused you to become injured, whether it's a car wreck or a fall on someone's property or a dog bite. If it's a car wreck, the first thing that we need to do is get a copy of the police report. It's usually 3 to 5 business days before that report is ready, but that's what has all the information that allows the process really to begin. Name the person that hit you, their insurance company, their address, different witnesses, things of that nature. Once we have that information, then we send out a letter of representation to the insurance companies that are involved to let them know that any communication now comes to our office, not to our clients. We also find out how much insurance is available, how much liability coverage is there, how much umbrella, if there's an umbrella policy, is there any UM coverage, is there med pay? These are all things we have to find out very early on to be able to know kind of how the case is going to develop. We then educate the insurance adjusters on the facts of what happened, the injuries our client sustained, so they can start building their file in the proper manner to understand what is going on. Now, what is our client's responsibility during this time? It's to focus on their health, focus on getting better, get with their doctors to make sure that they're undergoing the necessary treatment, follow the doctor's instructions to get them back to health. That's what's most important. And there might feel like there's a lag or a delay in what's going on over the next couple months after the wreck. And that is because we have to give our clients the ability to take their time to get better. We don't want to rush the process. We don't want to submit a demand too early and run the risk of treatment that's needed not being included. So there does feel at times that there's a delay during this process. But ultimately, we're building up to submitting a settlement demand with all of our clients' medical records and all of our clients' medical bills once the time is right. And then at that point, we give the insurance company the opportunity to make a fair and reasonable offer. If they don't, at that point, we can move to the second stage of the personal injury process, which is filing a complaint and going through the litigation process.